Yeah, Namaskar. Uh, I am Sandeep Dixit from the organization called CIPT, Centers for International Project Trust. It is established by the Columbia Water Center, Columbia University in India. And we are part of the Tigress program. And we are working closely with the Tigress team under the flagship Project 4. And we have been doing field-based research and development work in the northern states of Punjab. So my talk is about the training farmer to improve water efficiency and reduce reliance on groundwater. So this is the work under the EP4 we have been doing for last 2.5 years, and I'm going to talk about the field experiment, results in this discussion. So let's understand first the state of Punjab. What are the current priorities of the Punjab, and why is flagship Project 4 and Tigress intervention is very much relevant. So if you see on the left side of the screen, then you see the overexploitation and efficient use of groundwater. That's very rampant in Punjab since the start of the Green Revolution. The cultivation of practice of the highly water efficient paddy and wheat system, which introduced during the Green Revolution. So it is almost now the 6 decades. Then the Punjabi farmer, almost 10 million. Around 1 million land holding pattern in Punjab using this monocropping of paddy and wheat system year and year around. Another issue the Punjab is facing is about the absence of water saving precision technology and practices, which is not available at a large scale. So farmer can get these technologies, this precision water saving technology available at their farm field. The limited access with the other improved water saving technologies or IoT based technology, which is many farmers in the other parts of the northern India, particularly in the southern India, farmers are using. So these are the key challenges. The one major challenges is Punjab. The Punjab government is trying to promote the crop diversification for the different objective, but it is a very cumbersome process, and the other higher input cost that Punjab farmer are witnessing. So if these are the priorities for Punjab, how the Punjab agriculture landscape will look like in the next couple of years. So intensive agriculture is one of the major issues that Punjab is facing. The overexploitation and faster depletion of groundwater. If you see the annual rate of fall in groundwater, it was around 17 centimeter during the 1980s, and it was more than 75 centimeter around 90s. The severe crisis observed during the 2000 to 2005, then the annual fall of rate in the groundwater was more than 95 centimeter. So so out of the 138 blocks, you can see the 119 blocks are overexploited. So Punjab is facing a very serious issue on the groundwater per se, because these are the happening in the last 3-4 decades. The damage is very high in last 3-4 decades. So increase in input cost is also one of the major component of the Punjab farmers facing. And if in terms of the higher subsidy burden of the state, the average the government of Punjab spent around 6,000 to 7,000 crore, and based on the recent result, around 9,000 crore on the power subsidy, which goes to the as part of the agriculture. So Punjab is in a crossroad, and it needs a very high reliable water saving options to sustain its agriculture. So what is the solution we have? We have a 2 solution. One is the to make this water is sustainable in Punjab agriculture. We have to primarily optimization of crop production, water, electricity. So we have a 2 options, which is based on the CIPT study also done in 2018. So crop diversification is one option, which certainly require high resources. The another option is to intelligent water saving technologies and promotion, which has a potential to save around 20 to 40% water, and it can help to saving in the subsidy burden of the state around 1,400 to 2,800 crores per year subsidy. So if you compare with both the things, which is the good option in terms of the water saving technology is good option, or the crop diversification is good option. So if you see, if you compare with both the options, certainly if you promote both the option in one go, it will be more beneficial. But if in terms of the water point of view, the the water saving technologies have an edge on this. So it is cost effective, it is farmer friendly, and it saves the water electricity saving around 20 to 40%. It has no adverse impact. Last 2 years experiment in the field with around with farmers of Punjab, we have seen no adverse impact on the yield, and it also help in saving the power subsidy also. But on the crop diversification point of view, because the government of Punjab is targeting around 1.2 million of hectare under the paddy, they want to shift paddy area, but it is a very long process. It is very resource intensive, market incentive, infrastructure support is required. And if you compare the water saving potential through the technology promotion to the crop diversification, it is much higher comparatively in the water saving technologies rather than the crop diversification. So the technologies have an advantage on saving the more water with the less cost. If you see the how we are promoting this, we are promoting the behavior change intervention, working closely with the farmer. We are training and demonstrating this technology at the farm field. We are involving this farmer community through the cooperative society, farmer producer organization in Punjab particularly, and we're closely working with the government department to promote and scale up these initiatives. So this is the idea which we have been, which under the Tigress project CIPT promoting. So this is called a digital sensor, soil moisture sensor, digital soil moisture sensor, which placed in the farmer field below the 15 centimeter the ground, and it is above the 5 centimeter ground. So it basically measure the soil moisture level in the field on a real-time basis, and it it is connected through a gateway, and it communicate to the gateway, and then the gateway alert the farmer if there is a irrigation requirement in his farm field, and if it is not required in the farm field. So basically farmer received a alert irrigation advisory in the form of start and stop message, and it is based on the real-time basis. And this is the dashboard image which we capture on a real-time basis, and it has all the details, what is the moisture level in this farmer field at what time, at what date, kind of thing. So we have been promoting this as a digital promotion technology, as a precision water technology in Punjab. So in the last 2 years, if you see, we have trained more than 15,000 farmers to improve water use efficiency. Along with this water technology intervention, we are promoting the alternate wetting and drying intervention. We are also promoting the short duration variety. We are promoting the laser level. So we are giving a basket of choice to the farmer, so he can choose one of the option as a water efficient irrigation system. So we've deployed around 250 such digital sensor. You can see the images, and around 800 handle sensor, and these sensors are promoted and used by farmer. So based on this sensor, what is the outcome we are observing? It is the receptivity among the farmers is very high. They find this solution as a precision water saving solution is very good. They witness the number of reduction, number of irrigation cycle, or the number of pump hours. They've noticed around 25% saving if we control compared to the control farmer. They also improve. See the yield improvement per hectare around 2.5 quintals, and particularly the PR variety and the long duration variety, the acceptance and adherence is around 33 to 65%. So overall, if you see, summarize these, so these outcome related to the water saving, electricity saving, reduction in input cost, and yield improvement. So it is a win-win not only for the farmer, for the state government also, all the stakeholders who are working to improve the water use efficiency in agriculture. So basically, it helped to improve the status of groundwater, and it is breaking the vicious cycle of water, energy, agriculture, and access. Unless you break the cycle, you won't be able to achieve the groundwater, particularly status in the Punjab. This slides talk about how the CIPT and Tigress program covered in last 2 years, more than 2.5 years kind of thing. So we trained around 15,000 farmers through very structured training and demonstration program. We organize a lot of training camps, and we are working with the cooperative society, which is an institution established by the government of Punjab. And most of the farmers, the small and marginal farmer and the medium farmer, they are part of this cooperative society. They are enrolled with this cooperative society, and they get benefits from this cooperative society. So CIPT working closely with this cooperative society and trained more than 15,000 farmers across Ludhiana, Sangrur, Moga, and Amritsar districts, and offer almost more than 2,000, more than 250 training camps. We mobilize these farmers, train these farmers. Along with this, we have also organized small camps, which is called a follow-up camps. So encourage these farmers and promote these water saving potential practices. So what we have witnessed in this, so we have, with these interventions, with these practices, we could save around 83.37 billion liters of water in Punjab. That's a very huge in terms of, and this is the largest footprint made by any single organization in the Punjab. The electricity unit saved is around 20 lakhs kilowatt unit saved. And if you see the adherence point of view, the most of the farmer, around 32 to 70% accepted this technology and follow the advisory provided by this technology. So in the overall, if you see the summary, so this new and improved water saving technology, it is a need of the hour for the Punjab. IOC based technology, water saving, it should be promoted very intensely in Punjab. And it also provide a very hourly or the half hourly, irrigation advice to the farmer. And overall, it is a real-time basis. The water saving and electricity saving is very high in terms of 20 to 40%. These are some images of the events. What we are working currently now, we are very closely working with the government of Punjab, particularly the Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. We have signed an agreement with them, and we are planning to deploy 20,000 such precision digital soil moisture sensor in the Punjab across 10 districts of Punjab. And if you see, this is also aligned with the Department of Agriculture priorities to promote conservation. And one of the important aspect, the state legislative assembly, they also consider this is one of the IoT based water saving potential. It has to be promoted intensely in Punjab. And this is also one of the flagship project of the government of Punjab, which is called the Pani Bachao Paisa Kamao scheme, is aligned with the PPPK scheme. And most important, is also aligned with the sustainable development goal of 6.5. So overall, it is contributing on a larger canvas. And what is the intervention we are working with the currently Punjab to promote? We will promote the soil digital moisture sensor. We'll install also the rain gauge for measure the rainfall in a real-time basis. Portable water flow meter to understand how much water is pump out through by a farmer, and to measure the underground water level by using the piezometer. So these are the technology intervention we have been closely working to promote, and from the next Kharif season, I mean by 2022 next season, we'll be able to deploy this more than 20,000 digital sensor moisture. If we go with this 20,000 soil moisture sensor, we'll be able to cover around 1 lakh hectares of the land in Punjab, and we'll be able to save around 1,200 billions of liter water, groundwater, because the agriculture is primarily based on the groundwater. We would be able to achieve around 80 million units of electricity, and the subsidy saving of the Punjab government would be around 41 crores rupees. So these are the potential district where our scale up plan is based on, and these are the highly groundwater saturated district where we want to work. So in a nutshell, what CIPT under the flagship project 4 is doing, and I've been doing, we are promoting this soil moisture digital sensor technology among the farmer, and engaging them through training, through demonstration, through follow-up. We're also promoting and using the digital media platform to involve farmer, to encourage them, and so they can use this technology. And effectively, we have engaged the cooperative society, which I consider and CIPT consider is a hub for the next green revolution in Punjab. If something can happen, then it can happen through the cooperative society model also. So this is the convergence mechanism CIPT along with the Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare of Government of Punjab and Department of Cooperation of Government of Punjab. We are working to promote these technology options. So I rest my presentation here. Thank you very much.